Hello and welcome again to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I'm Blake and this is Rachel. This is the place you come for your campsite reviews, tips, tricks, hacks, mods, and camping adventures.
Yes, well, we had an adventure last time around, didn't we?
Yeah, our last family camping trip was to the Pop-Up Camper Rally in the fall, and the kids pushed in the fiberglass on our pop-up door.
Unintentionally.
Yeah, unintentionally. It was the biggest one, if you could figure out who I'm talking about.
The jury's still out. There's a couple stories floating around, but the fact of the matter is that someone went in or out and the fiberglass was popping out of the frame.
Pushed it right in.
Yeah.
I tried to fix it and I couldn't really get it.
Yeah, we were worried about making worse damage. Trying to fix it, really just needed to get back in the frame. So we made some phone calls.
Yeah, I was having a hard time finding someone that could do it. I wasn't sure about re-riveting, and it was self-tapping screws, come to find out. MBC Collision, I believe. We'll drop a link. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. If you don't know, they're one of the best places in central Illinois or in all of Illinois. Everybody brings their campers from all over there, so they were able to take care of it the next day. And
yes.
So really fast, great service, excellent team out there. Thanks again, guys.
Yeah, thank you. Check them out if you need anything.
So yeah, we're going to reinstall the door.
Yep, we're going to reinstall the door. First, though, I'm going to put on our wood-looking sticker on the backside before we reinstall it. So let's do that and then put it in.
Putting on some more wood log stickers.
Yes, log
We're making ourselves a little log cabin in the woods,
yes,
aren't we?
Yes, we are. Tune in to see all our other revamping videos as we adventure our way through this. All right, let's put the door in and a sticker on.
Okay.
Okay, so our door is fixed. It's looking awesome. It's got a rustic, can you see it? Can you see it? Woo. Our door is looking fantastic. I am so grateful that it is fixed. We were a little worried about going out of town with a broken door. It is ready to go. And now we just need to get the rest of our camper ready to go. I'm glad. If you love the rustic sticker, let me know what you think about that. We're going to keep working and get this pop-up log cabin makeover finished up in the next few weeks so we can go to the beach. Stay tuned. Let us know any questions. Feel free to like and subscribe, share the video. Thank you so much for your guys' support, and happy camping.